Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a super useful tip for 2025: how to use Google Assistant to call your contacts while it's connected to Google Voice. This is perfect if you're always on the go and want hands-free calling without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Google Assistant set up on your device. If you're on an Android phone or a Google Home device, it's probably already there, but double-check in your settings. Next, ensure Google Voice is linked to your Google account. Head to the Google Voice app, sign in, and connect it to Assistant. This step is crucial because it allows Assistant to route calls through Voice for better integration. Now, for the fun part, the actual calling. Start by activating Google Assistant. Just say, "Hey Google," or hold down the home button on your phone. Once it's listening, give it a command like, "Call, contact name." For example, call John Doe. If you have multiple contacts with the same name, Assistant might ask you to specify, so be ready to clarify. But wait, there's more. If Google Voice is your default calling app, this should work seamlessly. If not, go to your phone settings, find the Apps section, and set Google Voice as the default for calls. This ensures that when you use Assistant, it uses Voice to make the call, keeping your communications private and managed through one platform. One quick tip: if you're running into issues, check your permissions. Make sure Assistant has access to your contacts and microphone. Also, keep your apps updated to the latest 2025 versions for the best experience. There you have it. Calling contacts with Google Assistant and Google Voice is a game changer for productivity. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.